Hi folks, just wanted to take a minute to show you how to set up your Bose A20 aviation headset so that you can record on your GoPro camera. This GoPro happens to be the GoPro 8 Black. It'll also work on GoPro's Heroes 5 through 10. This one happens to have the multimedia mod on it. So, first thing we want to do is to take the male end off your headset and plug it in to the splitter. Just line up the the red dot on the headset and the arrow on the splitter and slip it in. Step 2, take the larger, which is your your intercom, and plug that into the multimedia audio jack. So you can take the small 3.5 millimeter and plug it directly into the back of the GoPro camera, or in this case we're using this adapter from GoPro, so you can plug that in, and also it's got a USB-C port in it, so that allows you to hook it to a power supply. Then simply plug that into the USB-C port in the back of the GoPro. Now you take the two jacks that you've got, the intercom jack and the mic jack, and plug that into the aircraft's comm center. And there you have it, folks. Should be able to record without hearing the background noise from the aircraft, and simply the voice communication between tower and the pilots in the aircraft. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped.